Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing both devices, plug or check battery so the headphones won't power down mid-pairing. Press and hold the noise control button until the LED flashes white. That puts the AirPods Max in pairing mode. On your iPhone or Mac, open Bluetooth. Make sure visibility is enabled so the headphones appear. Once the device detects AirPods Max, tap or click the name to start pairing. The system negotiates profiles and codecs automatically, so wait for confirmation before proceeding. Once you see AirPods Max listed, choose them. The OS exchanges keys and sets audio roles, so expect a brief delay. On Mac specifically, after connecting, open sound settings to select AirPods Max's input and output for calls and media. This ensures microphone routing and spatial audio work. If you're signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID, your AirPods Max sync across devices automatically. This makes handoff smoother. Make sure software is updated. Older firmware can block features or reliable reconnection. Finish by verifying audio and controls. Play music, adjust digital crown, and test microphone in a call. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods Max by holding the noise control button and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears cached pairings. Restart your phone or Mac, update OS and firmware when possible, and try again. The reset plus fresh software usually fixes stubborn Bluetooth profiles. If problems persist, check for physical damage or interference from Wi-Fi on the 2.4 GHz band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.